this is Hans the Ramen. I'm still getting used to this thing, if it's actually recording or not, but it sure looks like it's doing the right thing. So, yeah, there we go. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from Japan. I found this at the Wajimaya down in Bellevue, Washington. This is one of those Fujiwara varieties. This is, what does it say on the back here? Fujiwara Kani Nochikara Ramen Miso. So it's a miso ramen. And I'm now looking, and that kind of looks like a cow. I don't know. This might be like short rib miso. I don't know what's going on here. That's not what I have set up for it, but we'll do it the way I have it set up for it and see how it goes. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, and this one goes at $5.50 for 3 minutes. All right. Generally, this variety has been one that I've not been exceedingly thrilled with. I know, almost can guarantee for a fact that since it's from Wajimaya, it is most definitely has no meat in it. I would be floored if it did. They used to stock some stuff that was like I liked more. Not that I haven't reviewed it already, but now it's just like a lot of vegan stuff. It's generally and kind of expensive. But you know what they have there that they don't have anywhere else around here that I get? This. Chashu! And I always go and get my chashu at Wajimaya. Anyways, time for our quote of the day. Momofuku Ando speaks. Quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. So, I think we're on 174. Entrusting someone with a job means showing faith in that person's ability to perform it, and does not mean giving over entire control. But then whoa. That's right. But you just said, if you have the responsibility, you have to take responsibility for being responsible for something. And so if you do something that you're responsible for and it doesn't work out well, you're the one in charge of that. So I think I get what you're saying. It's like, yeah, you can do this whole thing, but oh, wait a second. No, you're screwing up. You're in trouble now. I don't. It's all running together. All of it. Well, as you can see, it's sunny outside. Well, maybe you can't here. Why don't you look and see how sunny it is outside? It's very sunny outside, violently so. The sun is blazing through the sky, blinding me with its sunny way. When I got up this morning, I looked at the weather and it said heavy frost, and it was like 32 degrees. And it also mentioned low fog. I'm like, I'm not doing that. No. I got up a little late anyway, so I got some review junk ready. But I was like, no, don't need a slip and fall today. Cause freezing fog, that is bad stuff. I could go out walking and then like get halfway back home, and then all of a sudden there's just a sheet of ice on every single thing everywhere. I do have these things that go on the bottom of my shoes. They're like, what do you call them? Crampons? That's what they call them for mountain climbers. But basically it turns your shoes, they're like rubberized. Got them at Costco a while back. But they like stretch like a rubber band around the soles of your shoes, and then put these little like super cleat spikes on the bottom for exactly situations like that. But I was like, yeah, I don't know. I'm not gonna chance it. I don't wanna damage myself to no end. Okay, what do we have in this one? This looks like it is a powder. Hot. Stir and stir and stir. Ah, it's getting all creamy. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. And then we got this liquid sachet. Can you even see what I'm doing? You must. There we go. It's so weird when I tilt this thing down, there's such a slow tilting. It's like it's panning so smoothly, it's almost insane. I like it though. I found something, two things for this. One is a, what do you call it? One is a selfie light. It's like circular and it allows the lighting to be really nice. So I got one of those. And I also got a thing you can plug into the side of this deal and it goes into the USB-C jack and it's a microphone. So honestly, at this point, I'm not really super keen on the mic on this thing, but I have a feeling it'll work out well. And it smells like red curry. I mean, red miso. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This doesn't smell... come on. It's one... Oh, come on. Leave me alone. It's FedEx calling me, telling me to have a company send them a pro forma invoice. I've already told the company, and the company says they're going to take care of it. What do you want me to do, FedEx? I know it's stuck at customs. What's stupid is I know for a fact there's no meat in it. Yeah. I don't know if I've liked any of these Fujiwara ones. I like the broth look. It looks very lovely, but... actually, it's not bad. Kind of tastes like a vegetarian vegetable soup. But yeah, that's FedEx calling, and it's like, dude, I told them I don't know what you want me to do. They're on it. They said they're taking care of it, and I see that they're sending emails back and forth, so if you guys end up just like destroying it before and being too antsy, I mean, come on. I think it's pretty late in Malaysia right now. So silly FedEx. So as far as being meaty, yeah, it's got kind of a meatiness to it, but I'm not gonna call it a beefy meaty. Yeah. However, I do, since it's a miso, I don't have any corn. I wish I did. I am very sorry for that. Maybe, so what happens usually on Tuesdays is somebody goes to like the food bank and gets like way more food than they need. And they dump off like a huge box of stuff. I've gotten like jars of peanut butter that are just like in the mailroom, which has been kind of nice. That's how I found a variety that I really like, actually. But what's funny is a lot of the time, especially around Thanksgiving, man, wow. Cans of corn as far as the eyes can see. So it's like, if I'm gonna be making miso, I'm stoked on that mailroom because I can just crack a can of wayward corn and, well, I'm set. But I think we are out of corn. I looked kind of half-assedly for corn. I didn't find any, so I'm just gonna say half-assedly we're out of corn. That's okay. Little mung beanies. Ooh, doo -doo. Some spring onion. I'm gonna use my last egg, last beauty egg on the next one I do. But yeah, I really want that package, but there's nothing I can do for you, FedEx guy. And why would you, if you need something from the shipper, the phone number for the shipper's on there too, dude. Call the shipper. Oh, is it because it's late night there? I'll take a message. They're up. You realize how late people in Malaysia stay awake? I've talked to people in Malaysia like all freaking night for their time at least. There's some shichimi. Alright. So let's give it a go. A little more. I'm starting to get in the hang. This is the only. One moment. That's a little better. Kind of getting the hang of dealing with the. It sucks because like the delay is so crazily insane. Okay. Okay. It's like tilt, 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 tilt. There we go. And rotato, make us proud as usual. Next one I'm gonna do is pandan white curry, so stay tuned for that tomorrow. And then there'll be even more Malaysian fun coming as soon as FedEx gets their, out of there, So, I'm Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Why are you still recording? I hit stop. Stop, I said.